Hello everyone, tension ramp up on Taiwan, China, US. On his first trip to Asia on first week of June as a US president, Joe Biden gave his strongest warning yet to Beijing that Washington was committed to defending Taiwan's military in the event of an attack from China. Biden's words showed that he compared a potential Chinese attack on Taiwan to Russian invasion on Ukraine. And I also think it is something similar to Russia-Ukraine war, where the Russia has nuclear power and here is China, and their opponents are small countries, Ukraine and Taiwan. For proper understanding of situation, let's start the video from history. Taiwan, officially known as the Republic of China (ROC), is an island separated from China. It has been governed independently of mainland China, officially the People's Republic of China (PRC), since 1949. Historical sources suggest that the island first came under full Chinese control in 17th century when the Qing dynasty began administrating it. Then in 1895 they gave up the island to Japan after losing the First Sino-Japanese War. China took the island again in 1945 after Japan lost in World War II. But a civil war was erupted in mainland China between nationalist government and Communist Party. The Communist Party won in 1949 and took control in Beijing. Despite the recent tension between China and Taiwan, research suggests that many most Taiwanese people seem to fall somewhere in between. A June 2022 survey found that only 5.2 Taiwanese supported independence as soon as possible, while 1.3 were in favor of unification with mainland China at the earliest possibility. The rest supported some form of maintaining the status quo, neither independence nor unification. In 1979, the US established formal diplomatic relations with China. At the same time, it serves its diplomatic ties and abrogates its mutual defense treaty with the Taiwan. But the US maintains a robust unofficial relationship with the island and continues to sell defense equipment to its military. Beijing has repeatedly urged Washington to stop selling weapons to Taipei. The US chief goal is to maintain peace and stability in Taiwan Strait, and it has separate to maintain the status quo on both Beijing and Taipei. It says it does not support Taiwanese independence through its policies of strategic ambiguity. The US has for decades attempting to maintain a delicate balance between supporting Taiwan and preventing a war with China, but President Joe Biden has seemingly rejected the policies, stating several times that US would come to Taiwan's defense if China attacked. Taiwan's economy remains reliant on trade with China, which is the island's largest trading partner. However, their economic relationship has experienced disruption in the recent years, particularly due to Beijing's pressure on the island and Taiwan's official growing corner about its over-reliance on trade with China. I hope that the war does not take place because war is not a solution. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel.